Hello and welcome back to the ROS 2 New Features course. During section 4, we covered the most remarkable differences with ROS 1, like security, lifecycle management, and real-time coding. Now, let's begin with section 5, debugging tools and community. In this section, we will explore the current status of some tools that ROS 2 has, like RViz 2, RQT, and which are the resources that you use to ask for help, like ROS Answers and ROS Discourse. In this video, it's the turn to talk about RViz 2. RViz stands for ROS Visualization, and it is a ROS graphical interface that allows you to visualize a lot of information, using plugins for many kinds of available topics. RViz 2 is simply a port of RViz into ROS 2. Next, let's explore some of the features that were and were not migrated from RViz. RViz is composed mainly of 4 different sections. The first one, displays, are being used to display information, ROS topics, into the screen. And for example, the camera and the map and the robot model have been ported. Other tools that have been ported are the selection feature, the 2D navigation goal, and the initial pose. These are the features that were not ported to ROS 2. In my opinion, the most important one is the time. But for example, if you want to see pose with covariance, you won't be able to do so. In order to work a little bit with RViz, let's run first an example. From the dummy robot bring up package, let's run this launch file. And now let's open RViz 2. Now it's time to visualize some information that the launch file is generating. For that, we are going to do these 4 steps. First, to remove this error, we have to select the correct fixed frame. For that, let's select World. Then, let's add some topics. For example, Map. Then, add another topic, for example, TF. You won't find TF here, so you should add it here in the By Display Type tab. And finally, let's print the laser scan topic. As you can see, the laser scan is being published, and the reference of these publications is the gripper or the tooltip of this simple manipulator. You can change some views in RViz, and that's basically all.